Nick, what's the address here?
6819 Northeast 58th Avenue.
We're at job site address 6819 Northeast 58th Avenue in Vancouver, Washington. This is the post-video inspection of a 12-inch storm drain that had a separation at a fitting and had a bunch of rocks coming in the line. We've gained access through the west side manhole, and we're going to push approximately, it'll say 90 feet or so on the camera to inspect our sewer liner. Rock in the line that we hydrojetted yesterday. They've got a vac truck on site that's going to suck all this out when we're done. The upstream section of our liner. Here's where the separation was, right here where this belly is. And here's the downstream section of our liner. This is approximately about 5 feet worth of liner, 12-inch liner that we installed for about a 3-inch gap. So the liner looks great, and this completes our inspection.